Hello everyone, what's up? Amanda here. I have literally hit rock bottom here and I have run out of toothpaste and I've cut both of the last of the toothpaste that I have left in half. So this is something that I've been wanting to do for a while because it's so simple to make my own toothpaste. So today in Amanda's, I was gonna say kitchen, but it's not kitchen because it's my bedroom. We have coconut oil, baking soda, a little bit of Himalayan sea salt, and essential oils. So basically recipe is equal parts. I have my little jar here that I'm gonna use. So it's equal parts coconut oil. So I'm gonna use a quarter of a cup and a quarter of a cup. So that's an eighth. In the hat she goes. And another eighth. Oh, I should have done baking soda first. I failed. Oopsies. Amanda wasn't thinking properly this morning. And it's not even this morning. It's about 8 p.m. at night. So bloody hell, mate. It's just right cracked. All right. Then we have baking soda. Oh, that was smoother than I thought. Oh, you guys can't even really see it, but anyway, it's in there. And then another fourth of a cup of baking soda. Baking soda. Baking soda. All right, so I have a quarter of a cup of baking soda and a quarter of a cup of coconut oil, which I warmed up a bit on the stove. Just put it on low, put in water, warmed up the jar so it's easier for me to mix. And as you can kind of see, it's like getting putty-ish or paste-ish. Oh yeah. That's nice. I like that texture. All right, so you guys get the gist of the story. I'm gonna mix this up. I'm gonna add just a bit of Himalayan pink salt. Oh, and I'm gonna drop it. Just a dash. Give her a spin. Now, I love the essential oil OnGuard. It's got like clove and cinnamon. It's super great for immune support and oral health. And so I think I'm gonna go that route because I really love the OnGuard. You can't even see it. OnGuard toothpaste. So I'm gonna use the OnGuard. Where am I? Over here. OnGuard dōTERRA essential oil. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. 8. And I'm gonna do a little bit, 1 drop of clove. Pump it up a bit. Boom. We good to go. I'm gonna mix that all up. You guys get it, but another awesome combo is peppermint and wild orange. If you want less of, more of a like fresh and uplifting scent or taste. You can go with that. So there you go, guys. Easy. So easy. Toothpaste. There you go. Well, I just dropped it. But easiest recipe on the planet. Saves the ocean and landfills from plastic. And it's super easy to make, super cheap. So adios, amigos.